Hey my friends, Rocket here at Rocket's Bug Juice Garden, where flowers brighten today. Look, Michelle's chocolate lab right behind us with my #1 Bradford, and that's where the chocolate lab and wine pairing will be. If you'd like to pair some wines with chocolates, then we're gonna have a band right there, Dr. Lee. We are the wolves. Hope I'm saying that right. I don't think we are the sheep. The wolves. Oh, I don't know. It's packed out right now at Bug Juice Gardens. Ma'am, you can't park there. We're packed. Please keep it open. Wait, fire department's got to be able to come in with access in case they need to. Put that down. It's too busy. I'm sorry. I really need to go. It's too busy. It's too busy. Too busy. Yeah, you probably knew where that was going, and you know where that's going right there, just for you. Sorry, my friends. Big day today. Every day's a big day today. Come see us at Rocket's Bug Juice Gardens, or don't. Mount Laurel's having their open house down there, so go visit them. The Village Drug, food trucks, Rodney Scott barbecue. Barbecue. If I was smart, I'd had barbecue, man, here at Bug Juice Gardens. Wine Garden Gift Shop, where flowers are brighten today. There's Miss Renee, getting ready for a big day. But every day's a big day. Right there for you, my friends. Jesus Pope loves you so very much, regardless of what you think you've done in the past. Bug Juice Gardens.